High turnover and apathetic workers are a surefire recipe for shoddy and unreliable cleaning results. The problem: constant cycle of hiring and training new staff, lack of pride, ownership and motivation in the work, poor performance due to lack of accountability. Cleaning is seen as a dead-end, low-skilled job. Language and cultural gaps prevent communication. The solution: a provider that implements robust hiring standards and vetting, provides periodic skill responsibilities training, engages staff with incentives and recognition, fosters a culture of ownership and accountability, ensures clear communication at all levels. And the benefits: reliable, consistent core of experienced staff, increased pride in work and attention to detail, reduced cost of excessive hiring retraining cycles, staff committed to your facilities, continued success, conduit for surfacing issues or suggestions. Of course, none of this matters if your staff show up without the supply and equipment they need. In the next episode, we will talk about that. Dealing with high turnover and unmotivated cleaning staff? Schedule a cleaning optimization strategy session with me to build an engaged and accountable team.